this session, let us learn about HTML entities. Some characters are reserved in HTML. If you use a less than or greater than signs in your text, the browser might mix them with tags. Character entries are used to display reserved characters in HTML. A character entries look like this: and entity underscore name or and hash entity underscore name number. To display a less than sign, we must write and it or and hash 60. Advantage of using an entity name: an entity name is easy to remember. Disadvantage of using entity name: browsers may not support all entity names, but support for entity number is good. Non-breaking space: a commonly used entity in HTML is the non-breaking space and NBSP. A non-breaking space is a space that will not break into a new line. Two words separated by non-breaking space will stick together, not breaking into a new line. This is handy when breaking the words might be disruptive. Example: 10 km per hour, 10 p.m. Another common use of the non-breaking space is to prevent browsers from truncating spaces in HTML pages. If you write 10 spaces in your text, the browser will remove 9 of them. To add real spaces to your text, you can use the and NBSP character entity. Tip: the non-breaking hyper and hash 8209 is used to define hyphen character that does not break into a new line. See here some useful HTML character entities: non-breaking space and NBSP and hash 160. See, lesser than, and it, greater than, and ampersand, and amp, and a double quotation mark, single quotation mark, apostrophe. See here cent, pound, yen, euro, copyright. See copyright, for using this we should use that. See registered trademark. Note: entity names are case sensitive. Combining diacritical marks. A diacritical mark is a glyph added to a letter. Some diacritical marks like grave and acute are called accents. Diacritical marks can appear both above and below a letter, inside a letter, and between two letters. Diacritical marks can be used in combination with alphanumeric characters to produce a character that is not present in the character set encoding used in the page. See here A character, result A, small a, O, like this you can create diacritical marks. Okay friends, this is the end of HTML part 48 entities. In next video, let us learn about another topic, symbols.
If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.